See the stress fracture right there?
Yeah, and the hydraulics are completely seized. We'll need a full replacement.
Check the forward rotor coupling. The wear is significant here.
Running the analysis now. It looks like...
I've labeled this as hydraulic return line, IMUL's aft section.
Looks good. I'll secure the zip tie and we can move on.
I've labeled this as hydraulic return line, IMUL's aft section.
Looks good. I'll secure the zip tie and we can move on.
Look at the state of this fuselage. The corrosion is extensive here.
Yes, especially near the paneling. We'll need a full structural assessment.
Look at the corrosion on this fitting. It's completely seized.
Yeah, the seals look shot too. We'll need a full replacement here.
The compressor blades show significant wear. Notice the fine pitting and shallow erosion grooves caused by sand ingestion.
Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Clear on this side, keep coming down slowly.
Did you get the dust out of this bezel?
Almost. Use the brush here. I'll torque this one down now.
Check the torque stripes on the engine mounts.
Verified, all within tolerance. Seals look good too.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the firewall.
Clear. Looks aligned.
Lock pins engaged on all 6 links.
Confirmed.
Alignment checked and logged.
Alignment looks spot on. Go ahead with the torque sequence.
Okay, first bolt seated.
Moving to the next one now.
Diagnostics complete. We have a pass on the hydraulics.
And the auxiliary power reads nominal. Systems go.
Three clicks on the hydraulic line.
Confirmed. Moving to the P5 connector.
As we inspect the CH-47's drivetrain, the long-term wear is clear. The gears show rounded edges, scoring, and As we inspect the CH-47's drivetrain, the long-term wear is clear. The gears show rounded edges, scoring, and
Gear alignment is stable, tracking within tolerance.
Vibration levels nominal across the forward rotor.
Fuselage stress report looks good.